Today's video continues to bring you 5 dropshipping potential products to boost your business. The first one is the hair straightener. As can be seen from the figure, this product has a relatively stable market demand. On TikTok, it has gained a lot of likes due to its novelty. First, its braided design combines hair straightening and 3D image ironing functions, which is highly attractive to consumers. Second, it's easy to use and practical, suitable for many users. Third, its compact size cuts shipping costs, offering a higher profit margin. The next one is the LED flashlight gloves. The user's Google search shows this product enjoys a relatively stable market demand. Because of its unique features, this product has received a large number of likes on TikTok, suggesting that it has a rather favorable sales market. This item is innovative and solves the lighting problem of small spaces very well, making it stand out in the market. Plus, it's made of durable, minimizing after-sales issues. The third one is the automatic card shuffler. Playing cards is a popular entertainment user searches show is growing market trend. The manually operated old version shuffler has hundreds of thousands of likes. The upgraded product will have greater market potential. It's highly sought after by card game fans and shuffles cards quickly, making a great gaming experience. We suggest you work with SourcinBox to get high-quality products at low prices directly from suppliers. Contact us now for the limited purchase link. The fourth one is the instant hot water dispenser. The People's Search graph shows that this product has always had precise target customers. This item can produce hot water instantly, solving the problem of long waiting times when urgently needed. It's energy-saving and fits our environmental protection concept. The last one is the interactive cat bowl toss. The search trend of this novel product shows it can help you stand out. This product is not to be missed. With safe built-in electronics, it makes fun sounds for great interactive experiences, reducing cats' loneliness. Plus, it's made of safe, eco-friendly, durable, so cat owners can buy it worry-free.